Weird facts about animals. Did you know pangolins dig burrows for sleeping and nesting that contain large circular chambers, and some are so big that they can stand up in them? African bullfrogs produce mucous membranes that solidify into cocoons to stop their skin from drying out in the heat. The creatures can survive in the cocoons for up to 7 years while they wait for rain. Ravens are intelligent enough to play tricks on one another. If one raven knows another is watching it hide its food, it will pretend to put the food in one place, but actually hide it in another.